Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve that net framework installations with the error code 0x800f0906 in Windows 10 computer. So that net framework is a proprietary software framework developed by Microsoft that primarily runs on the Microsoft Windows. It provides a comprehensive and consistent programming environment for building and running a wide range of applications, including Windows-based desktop apps, web services, and web applications. And then I'll show you some steps to fix this error. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to enable that net framework and Windows features. On how to do that, so all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard to open this run. And once you open up here this run commands, so here in box, then we need to type this command keyword app with .cpl. So just type this command keyword upwiz.cpl, that is one word, and then click OK. And then once you open up here at programs and features, so here at left side navigation panel, then you need now to select this turn Windows features on or off, and then you need to click. And then on right side, then pop up this Windows features. So turn Windows features on or off. So all you have to do is to find and locate this .NET Framework 3.5 includes .NET 2.0 and 3.0. So all you have to do is to check this box beside this .NET Framework. So we need to check this box. Same with .NET Framework 4.8 Advanced Services. So also we need to check this box. And then once you check this box, and then you need to click OK. Alright, so once you're done here at programs and features, and then we need to close. If the error is still persists, and the next solutions that we're going to do is to modify the group policy settings. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard to open this run. And then once you open up this run command in here in box, then we need to type this command keyword gpedit.msc. So just type this command keyword gpedit.msc, that is one word, and then click OK. And then once you open up here at local group policy editor, and then next step, then we need to navigate to the following settings. So here at left side navigation panel, under net here at computer configurations, then you need now to select this administrative templates folder. So click this arrow to expand, and then here at administrative templates, the next step, then you need now to select the system folder. So all you have to do is to click one time. So click one time, and then on right side panel, then we need to find and locate this open specify settings for optional components. So all you have to do is to scroll down and find that. And then once you find already this specify settings for optional components, installations, and components, all you have to do is to select and double click, and then pop up this specify settings for optional components, installations, and component repair. So all you have to do is to modify the settings here at left side navigation panel. Then we have the three option settings here that we need to modify. So not configured, enabled, or disabled. So all you have to do is to select this enabled. And then once you click this enabled, and then you need to click apply, and then you need to click OK. Alright, so after here at local group policy editor, and then we need to close. If the error still persists, and the next solution that we're going to do is to check for corrupted system files. So all you have to do is to click again on the search menu, and then you need to type the cmd, or this is the command prompt, and then you need to tap this run as administrator if you receive user account control, and then you need to click yes. And once you open up here at administrator command prompt, and then you need to type this command keyword as fc /scan now. So /scan now, that is one word, and then press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. So that's why we will do this SFC scan now because it is command used in Windows to run the system file checker SFC tool, which scans all protected system files on your computer and replaces any corrupted or incorrect versions with the correct Microsoft versions. Then we need to wait to complete the verifications. And verifications 100% complete. And the next step, then we need to close the CMD and then we need to restart this PC. Click this power button here and then click this restart to fix this error. Alright, so that's it guys and thanks for watching. And hopefully this video was helpful to resolve Windows update with the error on your PC. And give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are having problems with Windows. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for Windows Guide tutorial. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorials.